Perform this maintenance at the end of each workday. Before you begin, make sure to wear the proper protective equipment. Open the UV Flatbed controller software, then click Clean to move the carriage to the maintenance position. When you see this message, hold these buttons for 10 seconds. Click OK. When you see this message, move the flushing box to the back of the ink receiver. Clean the surfaces of the print head nozzles. Then clean the surface around the print head nozzles. When you're done, click OK. When you see this message, move the flushing box to the front of the ink receiver, then click OK. Print a nozzle check pattern. Flush the nozzles if they are clogged.